Hey, are you looking for the best gaming mouse from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress gaming mouse for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the mouses are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the best gaming mouse is SC200 Rechargeable Bluetooth Wireless Gaming Mouse. This is a multi-mode Bluetooth wireless mouse. You can connect with up to 3 devices like Windows computer, MacBook, and Android tablet at the same time. And you can do all these via Bluetooth 5.0, 3.0, and 2.4 GHz. You can also easily switch between them with a single click between the different inputs. It will bring you fantastic using experience of fast response, stable refresh rate, smooth tracking, precise movements. It is provided with the professional game Beacon RFIC chip. You will also be able to fulfill your ordinary and gaming need, and easily change the cursor sensitivity depending on your activity. You will get long standby time with auto sleep and wake mode. It is also provided with a built-in 800 mAh lithium battery. You can easily charge this mouse by USB cable, which will be included with the mouse. You can also use the mouse while charging. You can easily plug it and play. You won't have to guess its battery life while working. You can easily check the remaining energy with its battery level indicator. Its cool LED lighting effects will set you in a unique atmosphere, and it is also simple to use it. You will not require any additional software or firmware. It will work well on your PC, laptop, Windows, Android tablet phone. It is designed with a tough and domineering appearance, and plating double wing. You will also have a comfortable using experience because it is provided with skin-friendly material. It is also provided with a USB receiver which is embedded in the mouse bottom. Another amazing plus point of the mouse is, it is convenient to keep and slip the mouse into your bag or pocket, so you have it anywhere you need it. And at number 4, the gaming mouse is Dareu TM209 Wireless Gaming Mouse. Dareu is an ergonomic vertical wireless mouse. You will get Bluetooth 4.0 and 2.4 dual mode with this amazing device. You will also get 1600 DPI with it. It will also give you one button function which will help to switch the DPI between 800 or 1600 or 2400 to meet different needs in different situations. 3D scroll wheel for the computer is also there for daily needs or to make your daily jobs easier to surf. It is provided with a unique vertical mouse hold which relieves arm discomfort and harsh feelings, and also lets you say goodbye to the mouse hand. Its design is a 60-degree ergonomic unique design. The vertical design of the wrist also enables a natural curve, which gives a good palm fitting and reduced wrist movement, which also ensures ease of work and study. With its non-slip design and a 3D anti-skid scroll wheel, it becomes easy to avoid errors in work, and work efficiency also improves dramatically. Its wireless feature eliminates self-control and helps you to work more flexibly. Without a battery, its net weight is about 109 grams. Mouse's size is about 138 by 78 mm, and its receiver size is about 19 to 14.6 mm. And at number 3, the best gaming mouse is Deluxe M800 RGB Wireless Gaming Mouse. It is provided with 16,000 DPI. It is also provided with PMW 3389 optical sensor. You will get a dragless experience because of it. You will also be able to enjoy its RGB effect. It is also provided with a Tefl footpad, which makes the mouse smooth. You can work smoothly and comfortably because of its Tefl footpad. It has been also designed in a more durable way. You can know its long life from its clicking lifespan. Because it is provided with a 60 million key lifespan. It is so fast and so lightweight, that it only weighs 58 grams. You can easily fire a gun with this in-game. Because the mouse is provided with one key to press the gun only for 3327. Its multi-channel provides a 1000 Hz rate, which makes it possible to respond in 1 millisecond. It is designed in a beautiful way that, you will get a comfortable grip. You have a wonderful palm grip, claw grip, and finger grip. It is provided in both wire mode and wireless mode. It is also provided with a 2.4 USB receiver. It is provided with a soft ultralight weave cable. It has got a drag-free cord for wireless-like performance. It will help you to feel like you are working in a wireless mode. Its side grips are provided with anti-slip textured side grips. It is also provided with a professional driver for multiple customizations. You can customize this the way you want because you can set basic things. You can do light setting, you can do macro setting. You will also get 6 programmable buttons and 5 onboard memory profiles. In at second place, the best gaming mouse is Redragon M686 Vampire Elite. It is dedicated with DPI switch modes. One of them is adjustable in 16000 DPI instant buttons. Each of the 5 DPI levels can be easily customized via software, which will allow you to quickly switch to DPI settings. You will also get a mode that will be customizable from 100 to 16,000 DPI through the program. You will get 8 buttons in it, and you can customize these 8 buttons. There are also 3 side buttons included in those buttons. Because of its easy macro keying all 8 programmable buttons, you can edit by customizing the tactical keyboard hook in any game or work you are involved in. The 3 side macro buttons provide a better experience at gaming and at the workplace. Its wireless mode gives you the freedom to give a great performance every time. The cable does not affect the precise combat response. It is designed to provide the purest mouse movement experience, and also helps you to get this experience again and again. You will also get a polling rate in a minimum of 1000 Hz. It is also provided with a visual tracking system. Your mouse movement can be positioned precisely, which will give you the perfection of clicking, and you can save your precious time by clicking quickly and precisely. Its 1000 Hz rating rate and 40G acceleration function can ensure that you can give your best shot in any mode. In at number 1, the best gaming mouse is Cooler Master M71053G gaming mouse. It has got new perforated housing, which is engineered to be supremely durable and lightweight. That means you can play longer without fatigue, and also can work for a longer duration. It is provided with an amazing ultra-weave cable which significantly reduces weight and cable pull while swiping. That means, now you can do your jobs more smoothly, which will help you to work longer and to shine in the fields you like. You can easily fight against your enemies and not feel any cable pull. This amazing mouse is provided with PTFE material which will provide smooth control with low friction, consistent glide, which will help you to work smoothly in any project you want. And these quality reduces our fatigue too, which helps us to stay focused and energetic. The mouse is provided with a lift-off distance of less than 2 mm. This lift-off distance will help you to work more accurately and will help you to work more precisely. It is provided with an adjustable DPI up to 16,000 DPI for greater control, precision, and future-proofing. It is specially optimized for right-handed gaming with 2 extra buttons for added convenience. It is also provided with OMRON switches for left and right clicks, which are graded for 20 million presses. The amazing and astonishing thing is, they remain accurate true till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.